What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB, aka Laneyy. Welcome back to another video, another banger. Boy, oh boy, do I feel lost without my car. It's been so long since we've had Susie. This weekend is really slow. There's no like really good car meets going on, so I can't pull up to none of that. So it's Saturday. I decided, you know, it's been long overdue since we got the smog for the bomb, so that's where we're gonna go right now. So we got the tags and everything up to date, and we can really drive it around with no hesitation. Other than that, y'all, I'm just feeling so like lost, like useless without my car. It's been about a month now at this point where I haven't had her, and then right after we finished the bumpers, probably within this video it's gonna get close to being done, the rear one at least. I don't know exactly what video this is going into because there's really nothing going on. Right after that gets done, it's going straight to get wrapped, so that's gonna be about another 2 weeks or so. So close to 2 months, a month and a half, 2 months without my car, and I just feel so useless. This is why I've been car shopping non-stop. I've been looking at Evos, Mark IV Supras, R33 GTRs. I just need another car on the channel so that when one of them's down like this, or when one of them's getting work done like this, it's not slow. Because I mean, until we start 2J swapping or RB25 Neo swapping this car, which are the two engines that I'm looking at for to put in this car. 2J would be dope, faster, obviously better, but definitely way more expensive than RB25. But the RB25 is gonna come with a little bit more complications because, you know, the right-hand drive, we gotta find a transmission that's gonna fit and whatever. You know what I'm saying? Either way, I'm down for either one of them. We just gotta, you know, whatever is the right one at the right time will come. But yeah, we're not gonna do really much anything to this car besides maybe wheels, lower it, and fix the tint or whatever, find some new seats. So we'll do little stuff like that, but it's really slow for TYB right now. So for y'all that are still around and not unsubscribing and still sticking with me and still believing in the build, I appreciate you. Let's get going with the day. Still looking for that Celsius sponsorship. All right, y'all. My boys at Macarena smog check, sick ass fools. They're gonna get me right. He said 50 for the smog, and if I don't pass, I don't pay. So we good. The bomb diggity. You better pass, cause we need you to pass. We need them tags, boy. So yeah, we're pulling her up. We gonna see what happens. All right, y'all, it's been a couple hours since I last picked up the vlog, but good news, the bomb did pass the smog, and she still hasn't lived up to her nickname in exploding, and that's good. We don't want her to explode. This car has to get us through the day, and as you can see, I've been treating it like shit. I'm not gonna lie. After the carbon trunk we put on, and we kind of just, you know, forgot about her. So she looks absolutely disgusting. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fix that, and we're gonna pretty her up just a little bit, as good as she can get, because it don't get much better than this.
I mix the X with the Molly and now I'm too geeked up. She all on her back with her feet up, with her knees touch when we teed up. I hate the first phase I get freeze up. Give me some juice I can lead up. She got some friends, tell them bring up. And don't bring that guy, we don't need him. Pole on me, no dancing. Whole game, you just acting. You can try your chances. We can make it happen.
All right, y'all, here's what she looks like, all cleaned up. It's as good as she's gonna get for now. Every time I see this car, it's just so sad. I'm really mad at myself that I let this car go this bad, but now that she's all clean, she's good enough, she's fresh enough, I'll go ahead and do all this little minor detailing work off camera. Now I'm gonna cut to the scene where we're working on the body kit for the Supra, and yeah, we have to get that done because I'm tired of only having this car. Subi gang at the wash. I still got this shit.
Later.
We are starting the vlog late, and it's grind time, man. We gotta start putting in more work on the body kit, so I'm going back to my uncle's. It's actually the day right after the last vlog, so we're putting in work back to back all week on the bumper, trying to get it done for you guys, for Susie, for us, so that we can get this process going, because the homie Kiro that's wrapping the car said he's gonna be ready in about 2 weeks from today. So we gotta get this thing finished, we gotta get it going, so we're on our way there, and yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, get a good look at Susie's bumper while she's on, because we're gonna go ahead, take her off, and get started working on it. We got to turn the car around though, so we got to play car shuffle with a million cars.
You miss driving Susie?
That was the first time driving Susie in 3 weeks, y'all. I almost took her around the block and just did some pulls real quick, but we got to get working on this. Right now, I'm gonna get started on sanding. Wow. I'm gonna get started on wet sanding the front bumper and starting to get it prepped. And it's my first time ever doing that, so time to learn.
I'm only human, not my first or my last mistake. But caught a play and I'ma do whatever it takes. To my broken ways. I learned to cherish everything I had before I turn to something that a nigga wish he had. But by the way, I have something to say. It's time I be honest. Jeopardize our love as if I ain't had it, mate. Girl, you can't be humble, can't be safe, can't be modest. I know you wanna go, but no, I need you to stay. The time I spent without you have to.
Alright, y'all, now that the bumper is all wiped down, cleaned, and we got all the little gunk stuff off, it was a pain in the ass to get that stuff off. I don't know what kind of good ass tape they was using, but don't use it no more. We got 180 grit memory foam brush, courtesy of Unc, and he showed me briefly how to sand it. So let's go ahead and let's get this learning experience out the way. It and wiping it down, it's so much smoother. I think for my first time ever sanding anything in my life, I don't think I did half bad. I don't think it's perfect. I do think there's some spots that I probably missed that I'm still not finding, but I think overall not bad.
I got a staple, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow pole. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.